Hello everyone. I would like to walk you through the process of ordering a care label through the Avery Dennison ordering platform and show you how simple it can be. You can choose a language from the right corner. For example, if we change to Chinese, the text and the buttons will be changed to Chinese. We'll go back to English now. Once you are in your store, Lidl, you can type your order number or you can go to advanced search. You have a list with different options. You can choose all, you can choose submitted, shipped, or you can choose available for callout. And for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going with this one. Search. We have a list of orders. You can choose one or multiples. I will choose this one, for example, and I will press create order. We will browse now the categories. We will go to PFL. Again, you can choose multiple or you can choose only one label. And after, we go to edit order. You have the possibility to edit each line, or you have the possibility for content and care instruction to edit up here in the top, and the same information will be on both SKUs. So if you are going to content, we press edit, and we type what we need. For example, shell fabric as a part and a fiber, let's say polyester. You can have 100%, only one line. But if you need to add more fibers, you need to change the percentage. So for example, 80% polyester, add the plus button, cashmere, 20%, altogether will be 100, save and close. We will go now to care instruction, edit. We have here a drop-down list. You can choose from this one or a visual list here. And if it's a longer one, you can go left and right. I will go up. Another possibility is to go on each link and just choose what you need. I would choose just some random information. You can choose one or more. You see we have care instruction 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 5. After you save and close. If we did this and edited the up buttons, you will have the same information on both SKUs. If you need to have different information on the second SKU, you can go here on the line and just add something else. For example, we just add another care instruction and save and close. Let's take each line. The gray area cannot be updated, only what is white. For example, country of origin made in Bangladesh, license logo. Let's go with GOTS for this time. Brand logo, we will choose Lupilou. And we have a mandatory field, EN 13, so you will need to have the number for this one. I don't have, so I will use 0. But when you will place your order, you need to have the EN number. Let's move to right. This one is not a mandatory field, so if you have this detail, you can add it. If you don't need to add it, you can leave it as it is. Another mandatory field, manufacturer address. Let's choose again a random one and go down to the next line. Go up to the next line. Country origin can be different. Let's go with Pakistan. Again, we have the possibility to choose the GRS, the ACS, and the GOTS. Brand logo, let's go with Esmara this line. Mandatory number. and mandatory manufacturer address. We will go down to the next page. We are now in the shipping and billing ordering page. We have two mandatory fields, AD test, shipping method, locally delivery, and we can go to the next page. We have the order information, the billing information, the ship to and bill to information, and the order number. But this is not going yet to our system because we haven't pressed submitted order. You have the possibility to review the details you added by pressing the green arrow, and a very nice feature available for you is if you go on the search button, you have the possibility to see the dynamic preview of your label. It's uploading now, so you can check this one. All the details that you already added, smaller or bigger, for each of those. So pressing by the green arrow, you can see the details, and going on the search button for each SKU, you can see the dynamic preview. And now you go to submit order, and you have your order number submitted. And this is all. I hope this was helpful. And if you need any support, please reach out to your customer service from your location. Thank you.